Okay, so this is one of my favorite tools, and I have told several people about it and given a few of them as gifts. Several people have asked me, well, how do you use it? So I'm going to demonstrate. This is a Fiskars. They call it a hookaroon. I prefer the more traditional term, which is Pickaroon, and it's almost like an ice axe, sharpened point with a very particular shape to it. And its purpose is to help you move pieces of wood. And its main purpose is to save your back. I'm going to do some wood splitting, first without the Pickaroon, and then with it, watch what happens to my back. So, okay. Same job now with the Pickaroon. Doesn't always make the job faster. Sometimes it speeds you up. Sometimes it slows you down. But it saves your back. I want to pick these guys up. Okay. So another common scenario here is working in a firewood mine when the wood is down there because I'm standing on multiple feet of snow. And this is what I would have to do. Get the wood out of here, down in here, this. that. All right. Here it is with the Pickaroon. Hopefully the difference is obvious. What's happening to my back and what isn't happening to my back. I can do a lot more of this kind of work if I use the tool than if I don't. Pickaroon.